Hey guys, so I am just filming my process of applying acrylic nails at home, and on top of that I'm going to be applying a gel polish for you guys. So yeah. Alright, so the first step is going to be basically I'm going to go wash my hands. After that I'm going to clip my nails, and so now they're all clean. The next step is I'm going to be pushing back my cuticles, and I did do that but like a week ago, but they've kind of grown out again. So I'm just going to get some of my cuticle eliminator. I'm going to be soaking my cuticles with this and pushing them back with this. Okay, so it's soaked for about like 45 seconds. So now I'm just going to push back my cuticle. I'm going to go wash my hands because this says to wash your hands right after using it. And yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, next I'm going to be using this cuticle cutter thing just to get off all the like dead skin left over around my nails. And yeah. The next step is going to be buffing. I just grabbed this medium / fine buffing sponge from Sally's, and I'm just gonna buff out each nail, trying to focus to remove any cuticle that might be left on my nail as well. Alright, so I just finished buffing and filing my natural nails. They're still kind of smooth, so I think I might have to rough them up a little bit. And after that, I'm just going to apply some of this Prep Clean dehydrant. Just dehydrate your nails from any oils, so when you apply the fake nails, they will stick on very well. Alright, so next is figuring out which nails fit the best on my nail. So yeah, we're just gonna open up a baggie and see if it fits, and if it fits, then good.
This could fit. It's a little bit small.
Alright, so now I picked out every single size. We're just going to make sure that they fit. This one looks a little big, so I'm just going to file it. File again, and I'm just going to keep doing this with all the nails, basically. Okay, so I finally picked out the right size, so let's just match them up. So that's good. It's not too big, not too small. I shaped it so then it fit my finger. Now I feel like this one might be a little small, but the big one was really big, but you tend to want to choose the bigger one so you can file it down. Okay, this one fits good. And you can hear the ice cream truck. And boom. Okay, everything looks good. Everything is shaped. Everything is awesome. I'm just gonna spray some of this stuff on my hand because it kind of has a lot of dust on it, and I just kind of want it to be. It's like alcohol. I just sprayed it and kind of got the dust. Like, look at. kind of got the dust all off. We got the dehydrator already on, and now we're just gonna glue on the tips on my fingers. So I'm just getting, you see that where that line is? That's where I'm gonna put my natural nail to that line, and I'm only putting glue on that little tiny part. So, gotta make sure you put it on straight and like that. And you want to make sure you get all the edges.
Make sure you put it on straight. Don't you?
Oh. Okay, they look whack right now, but hey, I tried. Okay. So I put my nail on crooked, so I had to drill it off and put it on. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah. So I feel like they look good. They don't look crooked or anything. And yeah. Next we're going to be clipping the nails to desired length. I am going to just kind of shape my nails a little bit, and yeah, just gonna do like a wide coffin shape kind of. Oh yeah, so actually I'm just gonna cut it on the sides and then I'll shape it, and then I'll start shaping it. So next we're going to be doing the acrylic part. So I just sanded down the little line between the natural nail and the tip, and there we go. So we're just going to apply some of this acid-free primer. I just got this from Sally's. If it will open. Perfect. I'm just going to put this on the natural nail. Now I have my acrylic. My monomer is in this. This monomer I'm using is this kind from Sally's. Same thing with this acrylic, and this just has a monomer in it, so I can just grab it and then dip it in there and yada yada yada. Wow. Okay. Alright, that looks really smooth. Okay, and I've seen people do this, so you're gonna grab some from this, just dip and drag. So I laid the acrylic on my nails. I hope I got that recorded. If not, I'm sorry. Next we're going to be using my drill. I'm just using this little bit just to file down any bulky edges. So this drill bit that I'm using, I'm basically using it for just around my cuticle to kind of make this little arch. So you want it to be, you don't want a lot of acrylic down by the cuticle, because then if it gets on your cuticle, then it causes lifting and your nail will pop off. So I tried just making a little tiny space so you can see my cuticle, like where it would be, and then a little bit of natural nail, and then a little bit of just the acrylic. But you want that little teeny tiny gap in between, almost like you need a fill, but not enough to like actually need a fill, you know, just so then you don't cause any lifting later on. So yeah, so I'm going to be doing this to the rest of my nails, and same thing with this hand. And then I'm going to be grabbing another drill bit and kind of just smoothing out the top of the nail, and then yeah. Alright, so it took me like forever, but I finally shaped my nails and buffed them and everything and washed my hands. So yeah, they look pretty good for the most part. I mean, for like my first try ever. So anyways, so the next part is putting on nail polish. I have my top coat, my base coat, and the color Spicy. It's a three-step color process. So what this means is this gel needs the top and base coat in order to do this gel polish. I don't know if I want to do the base, but I guess I will. I'll just do it. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to use my lamp, set it for a minute. Okay, so I want to do this red color, but I'm kind of nervous because I feel like my nails don't look that cute, so I'm just going to do this like nude pink. And yeah, we'll just do it. And it's called so this is called Lily, and it doesn't look anything like this picture. It's actually really nude, but it's cute and I like it, and I'm just gonna apply it to my nails, and yeah, then I'll put it in the lamp. I just finished painting my nails, and I just added my top coat. So it's just the no wipe top coat. So once it dried my lamp, it didn't need any wipe, and yeah. So I like how they turned out. I wanted to add rhinestones, but I tried and it just looked way ugly. So yeah, I think they're really cute. I need to like show them off better and better light, but yeah. If you liked how they turned out, please give me a like, I don't know. And sorry, my TV is on. yeah, so if you liked how they turned out, give me a like, go check out my other videos, and yeah. Okay, bye.